Thank you for purchasing a Lutron Dalia Dimmer with soft glow locator light. In this video, we are going to show you how to install the dimmer in a three-way application and adjust the low-end trim. Before installing your new Lutron Dalia Dimmer, be sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Test that the power is off by turning the switch on and off at the wall location. To get started, remove the knob and light ring from the Dalia Dimmer. First, pull hard on the knob to expose the light ring. Then, remove the ring by pinching both sides and pulling away from the device. Now we are ready to install the dimmer. For lights that are controlled from two locations, pull the switch from the wall, but do not disconnect it yet. Locate the wire that is connected to the different colored screw and tag it with a piece of electrical tape. In this case, the different colored screw is black. This is your common wire. Once you tag the wire, you can now disconnect the existing switch. We can now start installing your new dimmer. First, connect the green wire of the dimmer to the ground wire in the wall with a yellow wire nut provided in the packaging. The ground wire will be bare copper or green in color. Next, attach the black wire of the dimmer to the common tagged wire in the wall with a yellow wire nut. The remaining two red wires of the dimmer are interchangeable. Attach the solid red wire of the dimmer to one of the remaining traveler wires in the wall. Then, attach the red and white wire of the dimmer to the only wire left in the wall. Now that the wires have been connected, you can now fasten the dimmer to the wall box. Insert the wires and dimmer into the wall and attach the dimmer with the provided screws. Once the dimmer has been attached to the wall box, you should now take this opportunity to adjust the low-end trim. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and then turn your lights on to their lowest level by turning the shaft counterclockwise. You can now adjust the low-end trim of the dimming range with the black or blue dial to reduce any flicker or dropout the bulb may experience at low levels. Now that you have adjusted the low-end trim of the dimmer, you can now attach the Lutron facade faceplate. Remove the front of the faceplate to reveal the screws for mounting. Attach the faceplate to the dimmer using the provided screws. And then snap the front back on by pressing around the edges. You are now ready to reinstall the light ring. Align the ring with the arrow pointing in the upward direction. Firmly push the light ring onto the shaft. Align the knob and press firmly to finish off the installation. Your new Lutron Dalia Dimmer is now ready to go. For more information on how to install Lutron products, please visit lutron.com/wiringwizard.